Hi, my name is Ashley Porterfield, and we are going to talk about what happens when you eat a cheeseburger and the process as it goes through the digestive system. So, the first thing that's going to happen is once you take a bite of that cheeseburger, your salivary glands produce saliva, or your saliva glands produce saliva, which basically help break down the food. Basically, also, you have three big glands: the parotid, the subbilingual, and the submandibular. Sorry for the pronunciation. Basically, you can produce about 2 pints of saliva a day. So that's a pretty fun fact. The next process is going to be esophagus. So basically, as you swallow your bite of cheeseburger, the muscles in your mouth and throat basically help to repair it to your upper esophagus. Is basically the tube that connects your throat to your stomach. Muscles in the wall of your esophagus create basically waves, and they're synchronized. So basically, it's one after another that will propel that bite of cheeseburger down into your stomach. So it's pretty kind of cool how it uses synchronized waves. So when the bolus basically reaches the lower end of your esophagus, pressure from the food signals a muscular valve, which is the lower esophageal sphincter, to relax and let the food enter your stomach. After entering your stomach, the cheeseburger is then broken down a lot further. With the powerful muscles in your stomach, it begins to churn and mix all that food into smaller and smaller pieces. So your digestive glands in your stomach lining help, and your enzymes help to mix the food into a kind of like a liquefied paste. Basically, once that paste is created, then the waves of the muscle contract through a valve and it goes into your small intestine. So once it inserts into the small intestine, then the digestive continues into your stomach with basically into your pancreas, liver, and gallbladder. So those all also help with your process of digestion. Then the bile from the pancreatic digestion mixes with other juices secreted by the wall of the small intestine. Basically, what was once the cheeseburger is now basically a gingium, is basically what WebMD calls it. Basically, it also moves and down to the ileum, and that's basically what's the remaining of the food and where it goes. As it goes through the colon, nearly all the water is absorbed, leaving what is left but basically a small substance, what is called stool. Muscles in the wall contract, and that goes through your rectum. And that is the process of a cheeseburger. Thank you for watching.